Every game, every practice, every goal. I push myself to excel on the school football team.
Here we go, Philip steps up.
As a teenager striving for peak performance, it's crucial to support my body with the right nutrients for optimal development. That's why I trust Arashi. This powerful drink delivers essential nutrients to support bone growth and cartilage, ensuring I can stay strong and live long. Designed to help teens thrive during these critical years, giving you the boost of protein and collagen that you need to win the game on the field. Vitality in every drop. Growth non-stop. Introducing Arashi. Superstar Seekers.